Last day, Phuket Old Town. Quick wander up to a coffee shop.
The bus back to Bangkok doesn't leave until later tonight, so there's no real rush today. I'll just take a walk around the streets, see what I see. When you're retired, travel doesn't need to be about seeing everything. Sometimes it's just about carrying your normal, slow routine into a different postcode.
For catching the overnight luxury sleeper bus. Yeah, bus this time. To Bangkok. Oh.
First order of the day. Finding a good spot to sit for a while, probably a coffee, and just watch the morning wake up around me.
From leaving the room, get this out of the fridge, condensation just dripping off so fast. Another 4 or 5 minutes and it'll actually be warm.
A bit more light on the old Sino-Portuguese storefronts now. Stepping out to stretch the legs before the afternoon heat really sets in.
And it's coffee time. Settled on this place. I like the ambience. The coffee's good. A little expensive. People are nice. And see if they remember me today. Adika. Oh, yes, you were right. Thank you. Always sitting outside, but it's too hot. Thank you. Anfield Cafe. What a night we had there. That's a beauty. Got a little rustic. Always some good music going on.
Well, this doesn't happen often, but back for round 2. Hard to break a good habit when you find a place that just gets it right.
Actually, I should do before you crossing the road.
Yeah, if you see me coming, sure.
It's like when you open the door, coffee is ready.
Yeah, just always the same.
Yes, please. That's why.
Sun's starting to ease a bit now. It's time to head back to the room and get ready for the long stretch back north. So the unglamorous part of slow travel. Packing up the gear, leaving the bed unmade, and heading to the bus terminal.
Here I am waiting at Phuket Terminal 2 bus departures, bus station, Terminal 2 in Phuket. The bus trip 4 or 5 hours to Suratani and then the overnight train from there to Bangkok stopped appealing to me a few days ago. Sort out this bus, it's a sleeper bus. One seat by myself, maybe a USB charger, big recline. I think it should go well and no transfers. Typically I'm an hour early. It's hot here, sweaty. Been warned though that the bus is going to be cold. The AC is going to be pumping. All ready to go, just another half hour before I can get on.
A night on the bus,
หมอชิดค่ะหมอชิด
a walk along Sukhumvit, and right back to where I started.
Coffee time.
It's the same coffee, different city,
Let's see if my old mate's here. Outside 7-Eleven.
and it feels pretty good to be back in Bangkok.
Fancy seeing you here. How are you?
Good, good.
Good? Good to see you. What's happening? Coffee. What's funny? Brought my cup straight away. I stayed here just so I can have coffee here. That's the only
When you
reason.
alive? Last night?
No, this morning.
This morning?
Yeah.
It's been you just arrived here and you direct to...
No, well, I walked past, but you weren't open yet, so I had to come back.
Ah,
Do you know what you're making?
yeah.
Okay. Never know, maybe I have to do another video.
Sorry?
Never know, maybe I have to do another video.